Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you ways to remove your PIN and password from your devices if you want to. So I go to Start button, to Settings, to Accounts. And under your info, you see your accounts, your Microsoft account. So this is the email connected to the account here for me. So yours could be outlook.com or hotmail.com like mine, or it could be microsoft.com. Whatever email connected, we need to remove this. Then password or email will be removed together with it. So what we do is we go down here and sign in with a local account instead. So this is asking if you're sure of doing this. Yes. So we give it next. Currently, I'm using PIN to secure my device, so I need to put in that same PIN that I use. If yours is a password, you put in your password. Then give the local account a username here. It could be any name of your choice. For me, I use DST for Design Slider Tech. It would be good if you consider subscribing to this channel at this point. Thank you. Then no password hint, no password confirmation. Leave this as empty. Then next. And here is the local account we just created. Then sign out and finish. The device will restart and come on again. And you do not have to put in any password or PIN. Press any key on the keyboard to launch your device. And if that does not work for you, you may want to try this. Go to the search bar and search for Run. Just type RUN. And you see the Run app here. Click on the Run app. And when the box comes on, type NETPLWIZ. Okay. Then for you may see this box here turned on. It could be checked like this by default. Then you need to make sure you uncheck, like you remove the check, turn it off. Then apply for you to sign in automatically without any password or PIN. Put in the password for your Microsoft account and repeat the password to confirm it. Give it OK and give it OK down here. Then that should work for you at this point if you can restart your device. If that does not work for you, then let's try the third method. Type SIGN to get the sign-in options. And this lands you here on sign-in options. Go to Windows Hello PIN. For me, under Windows Hello PIN, I have this, and that's because I have just removed my Microsoft account details, so I do not have any password or PIN anymore. But for you, you will not see this under Windows Hello PIN. What you will see here for this button, it will be remove. So click on remove. Next, put in your PIN or password to confirm, then OK. The next thing is to restart your device or your computer. Either of these three should be helpful for you now. You may want to see my videos on all this. All these videos and many more are already in the description for you. Please check them out. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here and like this video by giving it a thumbs up so you can see my other videos. Thank you for watching.